Hello, welcome to Easy IELTS. So today we look at lesson number 5. We look at the positive or negative. This is the structure that I use. For introduction, you just paraphrase stop it and add this sentence. I personally believe that this trend has both benefits and drawback. Okay, you want to talk both. Like body 1, you can talk about the disadvantages or the negatives. Body 2, you can talk about the positive or the benefit. And for conclusion, it's just, in my opinion, and something has both beneficial and detrimental effects. Okay, so move on. And the topic for today is some country. Many people are choosing to live alone nowadays than in the past. Do you think this is a positive or negative development? Okay, we go into outline, body 1, body 2. Okay, for body 1, you can say something like, living alone, you feel lonely, isolated, no support from family. For example, old people get depressed, no help in dangerous situation. For example, heart attack, no one have to run to the hospital. Body 2, you talk about the positives. Live by yourself, you can pay bills, manage budgets, take care of yourself. Okay, you have inner peace, freedom to live, create your own rule, make your own decision. Okay, for example, you live alone, you can decorate the room freely, do whatever you want to. So this is, you just think of some 1 or 2 simple idea and explain them and give example. That's all. Okay, so now we're going to start writing introduction. Introduction, just paraphrase the topic. In some nation, some countries, some nation, an increasing number of people are choosing to live by themselves. I personally believe that this trend has both benefits and drawbacks. That's it. Move on to body 1. You have the idea here. Okay, you will start with, there are 2 major disadvantages of raising one person households. Like people live alone. Okay, we talk about 2 ideas and 2 major disadvantages. The first drawback is people who decide to live alone may experience feeling of loneliness, isolation, and worry because they live without the daily support from their family. Elderly people, this example, and divorce are in point. For example, these groups are more risk of depression, which is becoming an increasingly severe problem in society. Okay. Another drawback is the safety of people living alone could be at risk since there would be no help out of dangerous situation. If a person has a heart attack or any other illness, there would be no one to recover him and take him to the hospital. Once again, you don't have to think of any crazy idea. You think of 1 or 2 simple ideas and explain your idea and give your opinion. IELTS is not a knowledge test, it's just an English test. Remember that. And for body 2, you can say the advantage, or say the positive or the benefit. Okay, live by yourself, you can pay bills. Despite the negative mentioned above, living alone brings a wide range of benefits. Okay, firstly, people who choose to live alone may become more independent, and this because they may need to learn to pay bills, manage their budgets, and take care of themselves. Secondly, living alone can provide inner peace and freedom of designing their own lives. They can create their own rules and make their own decisions without worrying about people's opinions. A person living alone, for instance, for example, is free to decorate his own room in his favorite way or do whatever he wants to. So this is body number 2. And for conclusion, very easy. In conclusion, in my opinion, the enriching in one-person households has both benefits and detrimental effects. Okay, this is the entire essay. You write it down, study it, study the structures, and learn it